Hello people and welcome back to another lesson. This one is a Patreon request for the lovely Kai. Thank you very much indeed for your support, Kai. Hopefully you'll enjoy this bad boy as much as I enjoyed working it out. Great tune this is. Tone wise I'm using the El Hombre. So my clean tone is this. Just on the edge of breakup as per usual. Then with this. Nice and touch responsive, which I like for this one. Now for the solo, for Mike's part, because I'll show you that too, it's like a wah and a bit of reverb, but sometimes live he uses a bit of fuzz. And I'm really digging the Walrus Audio Eon, so I'm going to use that for the solo. So let's get stuck in. Standard tuning, which is nice. So we're going to start off with this riff. Around again, okay, that's what Stone plays for the most part. I think Eddie might join in with that live, but the AOL recording was one of the ones that I'd picked up on, so Stone's playing all this bit. So basically a D, but you're only playing the first two notes, so it's 0 and 2. So you go down, down, take your finger off, and you do down, up, down. Then on, off, on. That's the first bar. Double stops all the way, okay? Then he plays this. Okay. 2, 2, 2. 3, 5, 3, 2. Open D again, right? But he catches the D string again when he goes to the 3rd fret, so it's, and you leave it ring out, okay? Sounds a bit weird, but hear those two bars together. Hear that the D string's just droning throughout that because it hangs over from that that first bar, okay? Then the last two bars are this. And back around, okay? So you've got gone to an F now, right? But again, you're just playing the first two notes. 3, 3, 2, 3. And again, I would leave my second finger there on the 3rd fret, so that last 3rd note, you know, extends over, right? Right, so you're leaving the root note ringing out where you can, right? And there you're just going. So again, it's slide your second finger down 1 fret, and then you go to the open G. And then both open strings, and then round again. So the whole thing slowly. 3, 4. And to speed. And that's it, right? Mike over the top is playing this. Just ringing those chords out, right? So you've got a D with your little finger on the 5th fret on the top E. And you go to this D shape on the 5th fret. And here you're playing a C, so it's 5, 5, 3. 1 bar each for those last two, okay? Then you're into the chorus, which goes like this. back into that again, right? Mike doubles up there as well, but we'll come to that. So it sounds like loads is going on, but it's not really. You've got two sections really. The first part is this. It's a D5 for 2 bars and then F to A. And you just change between the F and the A on the 4 and, okay? So that part, slowly. It's just that, okay? Don't worry too much about the strumming, but the rough pattern is down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, down. Then you're going to take all your fingers off and catch the open strings with an upstroke as you move to the F. And you can just play a power chord if you want. 1, 3, 3. But I tend to finger most of the chord, just in case I over strum, right? But up to you what you do there. So then you go down, 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 up, down, change to the A. I'm using just a flattening my first finger there for that A chord. Okay, so when you get to the A, it's up, up, down, down, up, down, up. That whole thing one time, slowly. That's it. You play that twice, then you move to this part. That's the first bit, okay? So you go B flat to A with this rhythm. Down, 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 up, down, change, up, down, down, up, okay? Then you go D5 to F. With this rhythm. Down, 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 up, down. All your fingers off, and then up when you hit the F, right? Okay, so down, 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 up when you change to the F, and you're going to take your fingers off in between, right? So you'll get a couple of open strings like that. And then the last little rhythm is down, down, up, down. Go around that twice, okay? So let's do that slowly. Again, don't worry too much about the strumming. And then you come out of it with this. Okay, back in. But Mike actually plays something like this. Something along those lines, right? While Stone's doing that bit, right? So it's just the D chord from before, and we've got. Okay, so I've got my second finger flattened there on the 3rd frets, B and E. First finger's on the 2nd fret, and then my little finger comes over the top there. Play 2, 3, 5. But when I take my little finger off, I'm playing 2, 3, 3. Okay, so you can do that nice and easily. So you play. So pretty straightforward, and then you're going to go. Okay, so you've got 6/5 here. It's part of that. Part of what he was playing earlier, right? But he's just arpeggiating. And he's also shifting just on the 4 and rather than on the beat. Then you're going to go around the chorus again. Now coming out of that, it gets extended again with this little section. So this just goes. And then it goes back into that little break. So pretty straightforward again. We've got a D5, but you're playing down, down, down with a rest. Triplets. There, I'm doing the D5, and then I go second finger, the 3rd fret on the A. D string's going to get muted naturally, and then I just take that off, and you're going to hear basically the low A and D. It's an incidental as you're coming off and reapplying the C. Okay, that again slowly. And then you're into this part. You play this twice. Now, in terms of the amount of times you go around this second section, the first time, so after that bit, right, you're going to play it twice. And then you go, and you're back in. But this time you do it 3 times. Okay, solo time goes like this. And away it goes, okay? So it's pretty straightforward. We've got this twice. So it starts on the 7th fret there on the D string. The rhythm of that bend you probably want to nail, so it's okay. That's what you should hear. Okay, and then again. So that's the same thing twice, and then we branch off into this. Okay, so the first part is. That's the same as before, but then you tag on another bend, and then 3 more bends, which are triplets. So that's over 2 beats, okay? So we've got. Okay, again. And then we've got this. And then we're into the next part, right? So that last bit is. Again. That hangs over into the next bar, and you stay on the 9th fret, and you do these staccato. So you play 6 times on the 9th fret once you've slid up, okay? And then you finish with this. Now behind the solo, Stone's basically playing F to E, A to C. Roughly with this rhythm. Like that, right? So down, down, up, when you change. And then we get to the E, it's up, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and then you're going to play A. That's the same as the first bar, that rhythm. And there with the C plays up, up, down, up, up, down. You just play that round, and as it comes out with the Stone's playing. Okay, and then play that once, then you go into and that is the end of that. So those are all the parts you need. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.